Aero Asset presents Sikorsky S-76C++, serial number 760694. Over 875 S-76 aircraft have been delivered since entry into service in 1977. Today, the S-76 is flown in many different mission segments, including VVIP transportation for discerning owners worldwide. This S-76C++, serial number 760694, features the highest interior completion level offered by Sikorsky. Its 6-passenger deluxe VIP silencer interior was refurbished in 2017 and offers a fully integrated cocoon with 2 forward-facing captain chairs and a 4-place aft-facing divan. The flight deck is single-pilot IFR certified with a 4-tube EDZ756 EFIS display. Other features include emergency floats, sat phone, EGPWS, and many more. This S-76C++ is enrolled on engine, avionics, and gearbox programs and is hangared in Bedford, Massachusetts. Sikorsky S-76C++, serial number 760694, presented by Aero Asset.